Habadan kibayo agajing pang COVID-19 ha kano ke Jakarta. Haban kang kerdep syashipor banyada na kajing sapriang gane kajing pang. Katanat pulit gejala Meghalaya ha kasinengkong kalapen mi ke hukum ban kang kerdep syashipor ki artli ki tanat pulit ha kliariat na kadaw ka jingyo jing pang COVID-19 jongki katu kanengot ki pulit ha kini ki tanat.
Kejengpang COVID-19 kalau sedang banpur mentah sasaki bor pulit jong kejala barkane kejengpur kadai namar kejeng kenduk markhamat ikiwei pat kinongpang kibakit yauniu kenyang. Hang ni ha East Khasi Hills katanat pulit kala hab ban khang shipor yak anong mensong police outpost namar kejeng don jengki pulit kathanat kibiya kenduk markhamat ikinongpang na nong mensong hendrai yak ane kathanat lala ban pleno mentah katayo hadin kejeng pentikna jong katanat kakoit kakya baki pulit kathanat kempat ya bit satya ya uniu kenyang. Hendrai ha East Janta Hills District kane ke Jingpang kala bit ikikatu ke ningut ke pulit bat namar kane kadaw Superintendent of Police jong ke district ula penmi ke hukum ban khang shwa shipor ki artli ke thanat pulit badon na cleariat ki bakentop ya ka cleariat police station bat ke women police station kanang ban yole ya ki test ki ban pentikna ya ke Jingpur jong ke Jingpang. Haba paipat sa East Janta Hills kumbalong menta kene ka khlam kam pat ya bit satya sa kipulit ha kene ka district hendrai kila don pat katu kene ngut na kipulit ka district ki bahap ban syong khop halaying na mar ka jinge kandu ya kipulit jong ka East Janta Hills ki badon ya ka jingpang ha ka met jongki.
Because of the nature of the duty, since our police personnel are in the front line, we have come to know a little bit of exposure by our force personnel. So immediately what we did as a precautionary measure, so far none of them has tested positive. But as a precautionary measure, we are asking them to isolate themselves either in their homes if they have got a facility. If they don't have a facility at home, then we request to put them in the institutional quarantine. That is as a precautionary measure. From our side, we used to do contact tracing and all by ourselves. So we normally, whoever has been exposed, during the course of duty, so we immediately ask them to isolate first, and the medical team and all, they are assessing the risk factor. So accordingly, the district medical team is giving assistance to us. See, basically, the health department is following their own protocols. Like first, they do the assessment in terms of what risk factor it is. So I think they are still assessing, but from our side, we have already communicated to the health department also the necessary help to be given to us, because these are the people who are in the front line always. So we have to take care of them first.